Yo, guys, I want you to wake up as the best version of yourself, and the best way to do it is the night before. It is how you go to sleep that will determine how confident, how refreshed, how good you will look the next day. So, today, boys, this is what I want you guys to do just before going to sleep. So, let's jump in. 1. I want you guys to wash your face at least 1 hour before you go to bed. The last thing that you want to do is to go to bed with all that gunk, that oil in your face that will clog all your pores overnight and bring blemishes to your skin. So to avoid that, wash your face at least 1 hour before you go to bed. Number 2, make a to-do list for the next day, which I feel is the best way to organize your thoughts. Because most of the time when we wake up and if we don't have the to-do list, then we don't know where to start with. But at night when you're doing your to-do list, you write, hey, I'm going to wake up at 6. I'm going to weigh myself early in the morning. I'm going to do the leg exercise tomorrow. I'm going to go to work. I'm going to go to school. I'm going to do the project. Just the simple stuff, guys. I'm talking about the simple stuff like doing your bed when you get up and weighing yourself early in the morning. And when you do all these things, you are training your mind. And in the morning, okay, I woke up at 6, check. I weighed myself, check. I did my exercise, check. And boom, now you have instructions. Now you are organized. Number 3, drink water before going to bed. Yes guys, whole night your body is dehydrated and you wake up tired in the morning and you don't know what is wrong. So when you drink water before going to sleep, it will keep you refreshed and will wake you up with lots of energy. Try this guys and let me know. When I first heard about this, I did not believe it. I thought it would disturb my sleep. But when I did it, I woke up refreshed and energized the next morning. So try it and let me know. Number 4. Do at least a 30 minutes meditation. Yes guys, in this busy life, your body is tired physically and mentally as well. So doing a 30 minutes meditation will calm your mind down. So do a 30 minutes meditation and while you are relaxed, think about the goal that you want to achieve in your next few years. This will relax your mind and your body will start to heal. I'm talking based on the research done guys, and I have done it myself and I have experienced it. And it really helps. Now doing meditation means I'm not saying sit like this and do no, not like that. Just calm yourself down and stop thinking for a while and then start thinking about your future goals. And the 30 minutes will just fly by like this. Number 5, read. Reading will never hurt you. Your brain is a muscle which needs to be exercised. Now to create those new brain cells, you need to learn new things. And the knowledge that you gain by reading books will take you a long way guys. So reading for 30 minutes just before going to sleep will put all that knowledge that you have learned in your subconscious mind. And your brain will unconsciously think about it all night. Number 6, go to bed on time. Yes guys, all the top performers have night routine. At the end of the day, when you start training your biological clock, that is when you are going to get the best night rest. Physically, mentally, emotionally, and you wake up the next day, you will feel energized. You will feel confident and you will feel on top of the world. And you can tackle your to-do list with breeze. And when you train your body to sleep at a certain time and to wake up at a certain time, you will no longer need a clock. And number 7, put your phone on silent mode guys, or put it on do not disturb. You must be thinking that something will happen, but nothing is gonna happen guys, because even a ting on your phone will make you wake up from your sleep and check what is come on the screen, which will break your sleep, which will break your rest hours, and after that you might not even get the sleep again. And whole night you will be thinking in anxiety, which will keep you awake for the whole time. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.